Just as my last Halloween look, I'm using the Sample Beauty Glitter Primer to cover up my brows. So it's like brushing them all the way through the brows and then using some loose powder to set the glitter glue, then using some concealer to cover them up, and then I'm using foundation to cover up the entire face. The foundation I'm choosing is a little bit too light, but for skull makeup look, it's always better to use a lighter foundation to create that kind of pasty look. After setting the entire face with some loose powder, I'm using the P.Louise black eye paint to draw out the socket of the eyes, the nose, the temples, the cheeks, and the jawline, as well as the teeth. So I'm speeding up this bit a lot because it's a pretty straightforward process. You can always find a reference photo online about a skull and then do your makeup according to that. So here I'm just adding some details around the eye socket, and that way it will look more realistic. And then I'm using the Beauty Bay Halloween collection. They have this multichrome, sort of green to purple multichrome liquid eyeshadow, and apply it to the places where I applied the black eye paint. This way, with the black base underneath, it will look a bit more vibrant. Then I'm using the Dark Fantasy, which is their Halloween collection as well, and using the purple to apply to the teeth as well as the edges of the other like the multichrome bits on the face, and then blending it out with the green eyeshadow. Then I'm using the P.Louise Neon Green Eye Paint to map out the edges of the makeup. This way it will give it a more neon-like kind of effect. Then I'm using a white water activated face paint and using some setting spray to activate it and apply it to the edges of the neon green that I just applied. That way it will give it a bit more dimension to the neon effect. After applying the white face paint, I found the neon green to be covered up a little bit too much. Then I'm re-intensifying the edges with some neon green face paint again. Then I'm taking the purple shade again to re-intensify the teeth as well, to give it a little bit more dimension. Then I'm using the Devinah, their new multichrome eyeshadow in the shade Water Mist. It is a green to purple multichrome again. It is very smooth and can be applied as a highlighter. Then I'm applying some Lethal Cosmetics contour to the edges of my face, and this look is complete. I hope you guys like this video. I'm uploading one more Halloween look video on my channel. If you're interested, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. That will help me a lot. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Bye!